So let's start with the basic thing, that is salutations. So in every language, we actually need the salutations, right? The first thing is how to actually greet someone in any language, in Hindi, in English, or in any language. So we just learn how to greet someone, the easiest salutations in French. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in French, salutations spelling is same, but how we pronounce it. Okay. So this is the. The in French is les. So we have 5 ways to write the in French. So we have a different article for the in French. Okay. So this is the one of the way to write the in French. Les. We don't pronounce S. In 90% cases, we just don't pronounce the last alphabet of every word in French. Okay. So we just don't pronounce this S. And this is salut. Salute.
Salute.
Ta.
Ta.
Sion.
Sion.
Yeah. So in French, the sound of shun, the English sound of shun is Sion. Every single time. Sion. Okay. So this is, yeah. So this is les salutations. Les salutations.
Les salutations.
Yes. Les salutations. Okay. So the meaning of this is the greetings or the salutations. Anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This is les salutations. Let's do our first greeting. That is how to say good morning to someone in French. So that is bon, bon,
Bon.
and then jour. Bonjour. Yeah.
Bonjour.
Yes. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Yes. So this is bonjour. If you want to greet someone as a good morning, morning time, then it's bonjour. Or in very formal way, if you want to say hello to our professors or to our teachers or to our elder ones, we greet bonjour only. Good morning and hello for good morning, and for hello, we actually say bonjour in French.
Bonjour.
Yeah. So let's see the meaning of this bonjour. There are 2 words if you notice, bon and then jour. So can you guess what is the meaning of bon and then jour?
Bon, good.
Yeah, that's true. Great.
Jour, morning.
Okay, so here is the twist. So the jour means day in French.
Okay.
So indirectly way mein, we are actually wishing someone a very good day. Okay? But the meaning is good morning or hello in very formal way. Okay, but if we see the different word like bon in different way and jour, so this is jour is day always in French. Okay.
Okay.
But when we combine it, it is bonjour and the meaning is good morning and hello.
Okay.
Done? Great. The next thing is how to greet someone in very informal way, like to a friend. So that is salut. Salut.
Salut.
Salut, yeah. T is silent. We have done this word in salutations. Salut, salutation. The first word of salutation is salut only.
Okay.
So that salut means actually hello or hi in French.
Okay.
We actually wish to our friend. When we meet to a friend or to our younger ones, we just say salut. Okay. Okay. This is the basic thing. Let's do the next.